Amanda, how did you go at the Blooms Painting Workshop? Had you painted much before?
Not really. Dabbled a bit at home. Yeah.
Ah,
Yes.
so how's this been for you?
It's been an extension. It's encouraged me. It's nurtured me. I've been so well nourished with all your beautiful offerings of food. We feel so cared for.
Thank you.
We've had an absolute ball.
Oh, so
Really
nice.
enjoyed it.
And
Thank you.
what about the learning? Like, what happened for you with the learning?
I think it was just this incredible revelation of surprises, a revelation of how to discipline myself, what to focus on, the finessing techniques, the tools, all
Yeah.
the things you showed us, the different brushes.
Wow.
Just so much to take away.
Well, it's been awesome having you. And the funny thing was we realised we were neighbours back when I was in my mid-20s, when I was just starting out to be an artist.
Brand
And you were an
new.
air hostie,
I
and you went on
was.
to have 3 children with your husband,
Yes.
with the man who you were living with. And here we are back in a workshop together.
36 years later.
How many?
36.
Oh my gosh.
36, yeah.
That's amazing.
Yes. Thanks, Jake.
It's been just beautiful to see you, and I'm so happy and proud for you. Well done, you.